Welcome to the Astro. So, in this Photutils tutorial on photometry, we are going to learn about source deblending. So, uh, this source deblending is used when two objects seems to be overlapping. I mean, their pixels are not distinguished um, from the segmentation map. So, in order to detect these sources as a separate sources, we use this deblending parameters. So, let's deblend the sources. So, here you can see that in this map, there are some sources has been detected, and this map consists of 330 objects. So, we are going to deblend this image using deblending procedure. So let's do it. Okay, so first of all I will import libraries. So from Photutils dot segmentation import deblending sources, right? So this will separate two merging objects. So and then define a parameter here, say seg blended, and then pass the deblending function and see what parameter it takes. So it will take your data, you take your segmentation image data in pixels, and then you can give your in level and contrast. uh, so here you can see okay, so here you can see that data is your true data it takes, and you have to pass your convolve data in this array, and then pass your segmentation image. You can give some in pixel threshold, and then you can give in level, which is not required for timing. Yeah, we can give the contrast, so it varies from 0 to 1, and then you can give here uh, yeah, so those things you can give an in level. So I can give here my convolve data, pass your convolve data, then you can give your segmentation map, you can pass, then you can give your in pixel, you can give say equal to 10, you can give, and then you can give in levels equal to 32 default values, and then give contrast equal to 0.001. You can also customize this value with your own. So let's run segmentation blending. So here you can see that it's running. So here you can see that this time you have like 349 objects, okay, and in our earlier map we have 330 objects only. So this time we have 9 objects have been separated from the earlier segmentation map. So let's plot this map. So plt.image show and pass your deblended and run it. So here you can see that this is the map of your deblending sources. You can type your title here, plt.title deblending sources, right? So this way you can deblend sources. So basically deblending sources implies that your number of objects in detection should increase. So this time we have 349 objects, and earlier we have only 330 objects. So deblending has increased the number of sources. So I hope you have learned that how to use this deblending parameter uh, on the segmentation map. So you can also check from here. Say I want to go from 0.01, and see this time the source has decreased. Okay, so because contrast 349, can also make it say 64 if you want. See, the sources has increased to 355. So this way you can deblend the sources using the two function. So thank you.